Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Octolize channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through our FedEx Live Rates plugin, what it does and how to set it up. Let's start with the basics. The FedEx Live Rates plugin is a shipping method built for WooCommerce, so it works on top of your WordPress store. Instead of setting flat shipping costs manually, the plugin connects directly to the FedEx server API and pulls live FedEx rate estimates at the cart and checkout, calculated automatically based on the product's weight, dimensions, and the customer's shipping address. That's what live rates means. No guessing, no flat fees. Your customers see shipping prices based on FedEx's own rate calculations. Installation and configuration. First step is installing the plugin. After your purchase, you simply log into your Octolize account, head over to the Downloads tab, and grab the plugin zip from there. Then in WordPress, it's the standard install. Go to Plugins, click Add New, then Upload Plugin, drop in the zip, install and activate the license with your key. You'll find that key either in your purchase confirmation email or in your Octolize account under the API Keys tab. That's it. After activation, before you can use the plugin, you'll need a FedEx account and API credentials. We have step-by-step docs that walk you through it. You'll find the link in the plugin settings. Once you've connected the plugin to FedEx, in that same settings screen, you can change the shipping method type to standard shipping methods and save. This lets you add FedEx as a shipping method per shipping zone, instead of globally across the whole store. Then head over to Shipping tab, and add the FedEx Live Rates shipping method. Just click on the shipping zone you want it in, hit Add Shipping Method, select FedEx Live Rates from the drop-down, and confirm. Quick pause here. The plugin also comes with FedEx Freight LTL support, completely free for all pro users. You can read the full details on docs and our blog. In short, standard FedEx services have a parcel limit of around 150 pounds per package. Anything above that normally won't get you a rate. With Freight LTL enabled, you can now offer live rates for heavier palletized shipments directly inside WooCommerce. Okay, back to configuration. Once your shipping method is added, you can click into it and you'll see all the options the plugin offers. Things like services, fallback rates, rate adjustments, box packing, lead times, blackout days, and a lot more. Next to each option in the plugin, you'll see a small tooltip icon. When you hover over it, you get a clear explanation of exactly what that setting does. And of course, every single option is also covered in detail in our documentation. On top of that, we have a chatbot available 24/7 on every single page of the Octolize site. And if you'd rather talk to a real human instead of a chatbot, you can reach our support team directly. What you get with FedEx Pro. Standard shipping methods per zone. Set up FedEx differently for each region you ship to. Account rate support. Display your negotiated FedEx pricing instead of public list rates. Box packing. Automatically pack products into FedEx or your own custom boxes for accurate rates. Handling fees and rate adjustments. Add a markup or discount on top of FedEx rates. Multi-currency support. Works with popular currency switchers for international stores. Plus full integration with flexible shipping and conditional shipping methods if you want to combine live rates with rule-based shipping logic. Alright, to wrap this up, if any of this sounds like what you need for your store, the best thing you can do is just try it. The plugin comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can buy it, install it, test it on your real store, and if it's not the right fit, you get a full refund. And if you've got any questions at all, whether it's pre-sale, technical, or just will this work for my use case, leave a comment below. We're happy to help.